Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm just showing you guys my favorite summer protective style for Carmen. Since she is in swimming and she is in summer camp, I just like to keep her hair simple and something that'll last for multiple weeks. So I'm just doing the triangle part braids, very similar to the triangle part box braids, except I don't add any hair to Carmen's hair. So I just started out by shampooing and conditioning it, and then I also applied more conditioner as a leave-in because I didn't want her hair to get dried out, as I will be leaving this style up for 2 to 3 weeks. So I just started out by parting her hair all over into triangle sections, and then I go back and braid it, and I added some beads, but I lost the footage of that. But just a cute, simple hairstyle that I hope you guys enjoy. As always, please be sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.